Welcome to our exciting showdown between two popular countertop ice makers, the Electactic and the Aeitto. Both machines promise to deliver fresh bullet ice quickly, but they cater to different needs and budgets. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed choice. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Electactic ice maker stands out as a budget-friendly option at just $89. In contrast, the Aeitto model is priced at $199, making it a premium choice. While the Electactic offers exceptional value for its ice production capabilities, the Aeitto justifies its higher price with advanced features and build quality. Power consumption is another critical factor to consider. The Electactic ice maker operates at a high wattage of 300 Ws, which could lead to increased energy bills. On the other hand, the Aeitto model is designed to be energy efficient, consuming only 105 Ws. This difference not only affects your utility costs, but also the overall environmental impact of your ice-making needs. Finally, let's discuss build quality. The Electactic features a plastic construction, which may not feel as durable as the Aeitto's aluminum exterior. The Aeitto not only looks sleek, but also offers enhanced durability and a modern design, making it a more appealing choice for those who prioritize aesthetics and longevity in their kitchen appliances. In conclusion, both the Electactic and Aeitto ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for an affordable option that delivers quick ice production, the Electactic is a fantastic choice. However, if you value energy efficiency and premium build quality, the Aeitto is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.